Namaskar friends, my name is Gaurav Kumar and today I am going to discuss about the third verse of the first chapter, that is Samadhipada. So this third verse says Tada drashtuh swarupe vasthanam. So Tada means then. At the point of the completion we'll talk about it. Drashtu, that means seer. Swarupe means true self. And Vasthanam means establishment. So what is the meaning? Whenever seer would establish himself into the true self, then seer would establish himself in the true self. But when? Here this is very important. We need to understand this thing. Then basically referring the previous verse, because this third verse is the outcome of the second verse. If the second verse completes, then we'll get third verse as a result. That is also called the state of Kaivalya. If we are able to accomplish this state, and what is this state? We have discussed in the previous video, Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. If we are capable to block or to stop the vrittis of the chitta, then we can reach to this state, that is Kaivalya state. That means then only we can see our true self. That's why it says Tada drashtu. Tada, when? What does it mean? Tada, when we have stopped the vrittis of the chitta, then we can reach to this state. Then only seer would see its true self. We can understand this thing with a very good example of the mirror. If you want to see your face into the mirror, and if there is a lot of dust on it, would you be able to see your face in it? Obviously not. So, what is this dust? This dust is basically the vrittis or the modification of mind. That's the reason that seer cannot see its true self. But if, as per the second verse, if all these vrittis are removed, if all the dust is removed from the mirror, then only you can see your true self. That is basically the meaning of this third verse. Tada drashtu swarupe avasthanam. Then only you can see your true self. Okay. So in this verse we have understood the outcome of this. If second verse is true, then only we can reach to this state. Then only seer can establish himself into the true self. If the second verse is true, but what if it is false? Then Patanjali gives the fourth verse, that is Vritti Sarupya Mitaratra. So to understand this verse, we'll discuss this verse in the next video. Thank you.